Hello everyone from Sicily. We are all at the beach, bathing in our beautiful sea. And Sicily has reopened its borders to the whole world. So see you there. Now we would like to thank our donors of the week, Mark Bowley from Australia, Maria Danna from Canada, and the American family of Piliteri. We can only survive thanks to your support. It is said that in 125 AD, the top of Etna was touched by the Emperor Adriano, who was enchanted by the spectacle dawn, leaving to posterity the famous phrase, "It was one of the highest moments of my life." After enjoying the wonderful panorama, he set out to face the descent. The passage of the emperor certainly did not go unnoticed, and during the path of a trail full of trees, a shepherd stood before the emperor's horse, who bowing and asked him if he could pay him a homage with a gift. Adriano thanked and absent-mindedly accepted the bowl that the shepherd offered him, and a fluvium of perfume struck him, and above all, he was chilled by the cold contents of the bowl. He drank. It was frozen, dense, sweet, and aromatic. It tasted of lemon, perhaps of oranges. He asked curiously and gratefully what it was, and the pastor replied, "Niente maestà, nieve con limone." "Nothing much, Majesty. It's only snow with lemons." Emperor Adrian had just tasted one of the great masterpieces of Sicilian cuisine, granita. Well, if you come to Sicily, you can't forget everything, but not to taste the granita for breakfast, lunch, or whenever you want. Among the members of our culture department is Donna Fernanda Paternò Castello dei Duchi di Carcaggi, a talented Sicilian artist. These are some of her watercolors. Here is the Riserva dello Zingaro, with its splendid coves, golden segments of beach on the Mediterranean Sea, western Sicily. Here we are in Santa Maria la Scala, eastern Sicily, with the fishermen's houses leaning against the lava coast. This is Sant'Agata, the patron saint of Catania, with her breast amputated for not giving in to the loving proposal of a powerful Roman citizen. He has a halo that almost looks like the sun of Sicily, an ear of wheat that makes it look like the pagan Sicilian goddess of harvest, Persephone, and the ineffable Etna in the background. For any information, do not hesitate to contact our cultural department. We are available to all the world for anyone who desires Sicily. This is our mission. Now we take a walk in 3 small villages, ideal for buying a house at a very low price and living in Sicily. This is Cassaro, eastern Sicily, 700 inhabitants. This is Bisaquino, western Sicily, 4,000 inhabitants. And this is Cerami, central Sicily, inland, 2,000 inhabitants. In these villages, you will find real Sicily, peace and hospitality. Contact us if you want more information on how to buy some property in Sicily.
Gentili signori cari, tutto quello che state vedendo.
Dear friends, what are you enjoying of Splendid Sicily has been possible because of our love and devotion to Sicily. Splendid Sicily is self-sustaining. It depends on donations from those who love Sicily and Sicilians all over the world. So, please, support us, otherwise, in a while, we'll be upside down.
Se amate veramente la Sicilia, altrimenti noi fra un po' accappottiamo.
On June 17, 827, the Arabs landed in Capogranitola, thus beginning the great conquest of the island, which for over 2 centuries will be Muslim. At that time, Greek, Latin, and Arabic were spoken, and both Jesus and Muhammad were prayed. The Arab conquerors gave Sicily prosperity and innovations in different fields of social and working life. In this exceptional video of the Luigi Institute of 1932, we see the messenger of the Duce arriving in Sicily. For the occasion, the Sicilians removed their caps and put on elegant hats, while with a Roman greeting, they welcomed the politician. Cheers and flags. The senior official heads for Taormina, where he holds a rally in the ruins of the Greek theater, waving handkerchiefs. And here's a group of young people among the columns of the temple in colorful, typical costumes, all studied to perfection. Here are these ancient faces of Sicilians from almost 100 years ago. This one here seems with a frowny face to me. These are the mothers who cut their mustache for the occasion. On the left, there is one who plays the bagpipes. Long live the Duce, a day of celebration. And then we return to the poor life of those times. With this beautiful watercolor by Donna Fernanda Paternò, Castello dei Duchi di Carcagi, which portrays two dark-haired, he Arab and she Sicilian, one of the great symbols of Sicilian heart. Here's the proverb of the week, Nullo ti piglia se non t'assimiglia, which means that each of us surrounds ourselves with people who are alike, for better or for worse. In this photo of the past, here are the women who carry bread in the typical Sicilian way, on their shoulders or on their heads, with the children looking amused and even a little hungry. Nice warm bread with oil, black pepper and salt are the memories of the youth of many seniors today. And now it's time to say goodbye, and we look forward to seeing you all for your vacation in Sicily. Everything is over by us, and the same is happening all over the world. We remove the mask and put on the bathing suit. We will see you again in 15 days. And kiss to the whole world. Mwah. We live with the donations, not with the contributions of the Sicily region, that at least should help projects like ours. We have no politicians on the shoulders or bosses who tell us what we must do. We are a cultural department composed of some of the most illustrious and passionate Sicilian and not Sicilian of Sicily. If you do not help us, we close.